Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Komal Kamar from Department of DS Biotechnology. My roll number is 29 and my presentation topic is chemistry of shampoo. So what is shampoo? Shampoo is a hair care product that is used for the removal of oils, dirt, skin particles, dandruff, environmental pollutants and other contaminant particles that gradually build up in hair. Now we are moving towards the composition of shampoo. The first ingredient is sodium lauryl sulfate. This ingredient is used in shampoo for cleaning purposes. It is also used in body washes, soap, and detergents. And its chemical formula is NaC12H25SO4. And its IUPAC name is sodium dodecyl sulfate. And its structure is this is the first ingredient in shampoo. And the second ingredient is
ये
sodium
लोराइल सल्फेट बताया या लोरीथ सल्फेट बताया?
lauryl sulfate.
ओके.
And the second is sodium luthrate sulfate. And its chemical formula is and its IUPAC name alpha and its structure is and the third ingredient in shampoo is ammonium lauryl sulfate. It is used in shampoo and it is also used in detergent and other cleaning products. It is basically used in the shampoo for mixing of the oils and waters. It is used to clean the skin and hair. And its chemical formula is C12H29 NO4S. And its IUPAC name is ammonium dodecyl sulfate. And its structure is but this chemical has side effects. It also causes eye irritation, skin irritation, and it is also called acne. And the fourth ingredient is diethanolamine. Its chemical formula is HNCH2CH2OH2 and its IUPAC name is and its structure is this chemical is white solid at room temperature, and it is used also in hair conditioner. The next one is zinc pyrithione. This ingredient is used in the shampoo for dandruff destroyed, and its chemical formula C10H8N2O2 S2 zinc, and its IUPAC name is and its structure this is the structure. And the next one is parabens. There are the different type of parabens like methyl paraben, ethyl paraben, and butyl paraben. And the main purpose of parabens in the shampoo is that these parabens are used in the shampoo to preserve the shampoo, and they prevent from bacteria so that they cannot grow in the shampoo. And its chemical formula is, this is the methyl paraben. Its chemical formula C8H8O3, and its IUPAC name is methyl 4 hydroxy benzoate, and its structure and the next is panthenol. Panthenol is used in shampoo for moisturizing our hair, and it is present in the form of the white powder. Its chemical formula C9H19NO4, and its IUPAC name two 4-dihydroxy. And its structure Panthenol, it is also called vitamin B5, and we obtain from plants and animals. And its main advantage, it gives our hair shine, smooth, and strength. The next one is citric acid. The basic purpose of citric acid is that citric acid is used in shampoo to adjust the pH of the shampoo. The pH of the shampoo ranges from 5 to 7, and its chemical formula C6H8O7, and its IUPAC name 2-hydroxy propane triboxylic acid, and its structure and the main side effect of the citric acid is that it damages the outer sheets of our hair, that is cuticle. The next one is the water. 80% of our shampoo is composed of water. Then is the foam boosters. It is also used in shampoo to produce the foam boosters, and the main that we use in shampoo is the luramine oxide. And the next ingredient is thickeners. Thickeners are used in the shampoo for the thickening purposes, and the thickeners that is commonly used in shampoo are acetyl alcohol, stearyl alcohol, polyethylene, and palmitic acid. Then perfumes. Perfumes are used in shampoo for fragrance. We can use different types like a fruit fragrance. And the next one is colors. Colors are used in the shampoo for coloring purposes, like methyl parabens gives colors to shampoo. Then we are moving towards the side effects of the shampoo. Shampoo harm our eyes and skin irritation, hair fall, decrease hair growth, and hair follicle damage. But the most side effect of the shampoo is that it can also damage our memory cells, because the chemicals that is used in the shampoo diethanolamine, it damage our memory cells. Recently in Washington, there is the University of the North Carolina. In this university, experiment is performed on the mice, and the result was concluded this chemical is absorbed in our head through pores, and when this chemical reach to the memory cells, then they slowly damage our memory cells. Now there are some natural ingredients that we can use for our hair instead of shampoo, like egg, because egg conditioners our hair. Aloe vera provides strength and prevent from hair loss. Coconut oil that is rich in vitamins and minerals, it moisturizes our hair. Similarly, amla, it produces hair follicles and remove dandruff from our hair. This is all from my side. Thank you.
अच्छा, एक तो कोमल, आपने इनकी एक रेगुलर कंपोजिशन होती है, कौन सी चीज कितनी मिक्स की जाती है, वो कंपोजिशन नहीं है आपको पता?
सर कंपोजिशन सिर्फ मुझे ना एक की मिली थी, बाकियों की नहीं मिली।
अच्छा, और इसके अलावा जो आप इसमें जो आपने 4-5 इंग्रेडिएंट बताए हैं, इसके अलावा अगर आप शैम्पू की बोतल पे देखें तो बहुत सारे लिखे होते हैं।
सही, मैंने शैम्पू की बोतल में से ही उठाए थे, उसके
तो
ऊपर से।
4-5 तो नहीं होते, काफी सारे होते हैं।
नो सर, ये काफी सारे हैं जो मैंने एक्सप्लेन किए हैं।
दूसरा ये कि लोराइल सल्फेट की बजाय अब लोरीथ सल्फेट यूज होता है, मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी बताया था क्लास में। अब लोराइल सल्फेट आपकी कंपोजिशन से निकल चुका है, अब लोरीथ उसकी जगह पे यूज करते हैं। उसकी चेन का थोड़ा सा फर्क होता है, बाकी तकरीबन केमिस्ट्री मिलती जुलती है इनकी,
ओके
तो
सर।
वो चीज़ है। इसके अलावा आपने प्रिजर्वेटिव जो बताए हैं और थिकनर्स जो बताए हैं, इसके अलावा भी थिकनर्स और प्रिजर्वेटिव्स होते हैं, उसके बारे में नहीं कुछ पढ़ा आपने?
नो सर, प्रिजर्वेटिव बस एक ही पढ़ा था।
अच्छा जी, चलें दोबारा से इसको कनेक्ट कर लें, फिर आप सेशन ऑफ करें।
ओके सर।